Hello guys, what's up? This might be helpful. I bought this digital thermometer, and it's called MicroLive. Now, everybody knows that these days everywhere they are afraid from this virus corona, and now everyone is worrying that everyone needs this. Okay, now how to use it. Here the temperature of the house, and here's the body temperature. Now how it works: you just press the power button and you just press the start, and it will give you this beep, and now you put it on the head. Better if you are not moving or the head is not moving, especially with the children. They are moving a lot, which might have little difference. You put it on the head and you press. See? Of course my hand will show less half degree because, you know, it's not the head. I will show you now. I'll put it on the head. I will press the start button, and I will wait until I will hear. Now I will press. Now you see, this is normal temperature, 36.3. The normal temperature is from 36 until 37.5. After this it is high. After this it's higher. I hope that this will be helpful for you. That's all for the digital thermometer. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.